Think traditional marketing is enough to sell your home? Think again. Today, we're going to be talking about how great agents take traditional marketing and supercharge it to get your home sold quickly and for the best price. Let's explore how to make your home stand out in the crowded real estate market. I'm Brandy Jones with the Kingdom Realty team with Keller Williams SELA. You're probably familiar with the basics of traditional marketing in real estate. The agent lists your property on the MLS, makes up a flyer, sends out a mass email to other real estate agents, puts a sign in the yard, posts some photos on the company website, and hosts an open house or two. Done, right? Well, not exactly. Great agents today make sure that everything they do stands out and is unique and is exceptional. They put traditional marketing on steroids, making it just one part of a comprehensive marketing strategy. The multiple listing service. A great agent will not only list your house on the MLS, but also on all the other major real estate sites like Zillow and Redfin, Realtor.com, and Trulia. There are actually hundreds of real estate sites, and we market our listings on all of them. A savvy real estate agent will use the back end of those sites to make sure your listing is more attractive and keeps its top position. They'll post a virtual video tour on your home rather than just a few photos. In the listing, a great agent won't just post the basics. They'll feature the things that makes your home unique and particularly attractive to potential buyers. Professional videos and photos. Agents who care about doing a superior job won't just shoot a few photos and a quick video with their smartphones. They'll hire a professional photographer and videographer to capture your home's best features. Great lighting, inviting angles, and high-quality edits make a big difference. Videos are critical in marketing your home. They get 12 times more shares on social media than text or photos. And when you put some paid ad spend behind the video, you get thousands of views and hundreds of hours watched. 3D virtual reality tours and drone footage. I often use drones for parts of the video. My listings feature 3D virtual reality tours that are interactive, allowing prospective buyers to feel like they're really there. And by linking the technology to all social media, it's like hosting a cool open house 24/7. Questions to ask before hiring your listing agent. Specifically, what will you do to market my property? What potential buyers would you target for my property and why? How specifically will you market to them? What do you think makes my home attractive to buyers and how will you feature it? Can you show me examples of your brochures and other marketing materials? Is there a text feature that captures buyers' information on your lawn signs? On what sites will my home be listed? And how often will you update these listings? How will you engage my neighborhood? What will my home's website look like? Who will take the photos and the videos? What kind of social media campaigns will you run? How often do you post on the various sites? Can you show me specific examples of reach, engagement, video views, and time watched of your home's ads on social media? How do you specifically target buyers who are looking at properties similar to mine? Now, that's how great agents supercharge traditional marketing to get your home sold quickly and for the best price. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next module.